would love to share this poem that's been sitting next to my desk for about 6 months now. And I realized I hadn't even looked at the words and felt them for a good 6 months, even though they were sitting next to me. So I feel it's another perspective on what could be presenting in our lives for us right now. And if it helps in some way, then that's cool. So, and if not, well, that's fine too. So great, take it with a grain of salt. But it is written by Rumi, and it gives insight into even if things aren't going well right now, that itself could be teaching us something. And it's all part of the human experience. You can't have the good without the not so good. You can't have the highs without the lows. So yeah, I hope that this serves in some way. And I understand now why I've kept this printout. That originally was going to be part of a poem, or a meditation rather. The poem was going to be part of it, but I ended up choosing a different one. So it was done by accident. And I've made this video now from it. So what we might do is get yourself set up, because this is one of the beautiful practices, a type of meditation, and it's a simple reflection. So getting something that is a teaching or a beautiful poem to merge and immerse yourself with, letting it seep through all the layers, allowing the energy beneath the words to wash through you, is something of a beautiful experience. And reflection can help with that. It's like the allowing of the energy to move through you, but also giving the mind something, obviously a single thing to think about as well. So coming into a comfortable position, whatever one you've chosen, feeling the whole body, feeling your breath coming and going. Noticing if there are any sounds you can hear. Any smells you can detect in the air. Any tastes in your mouth. And feeling the floor beneath you and where it touches your body. Feeling your spine straight yet supple. Feeling your breath and allowing it to open you bit by bit as it enters, expanding the body ever so slightly, and leaves. Enters and expands the body, gently leaves. Allowing your whole body to be supple so that it may receive the energy of these words and the depths of their teachings, which speaks beyond the brain. Allow yourself to settle on the breath as your single point of focus as these words enter you. The guest house. This being human is a guest house. Every morning a new arrival. A joy a depression, a meanness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all, even if they're a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture. Still, treat each guest honourably. She may be clearing you out for some new delight. The dark thought, the shame, the malice. Meet them at the door laughing and invite them in. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Stay in this space and continue to breathe. Allowing the body the space it needs within. And feeling the whole body. Feeling your feet against the floor. New sounds. Any smells, any tastes. Allowing yourself to, when you're ready, perhaps picking up a pen and writing down anything that comes to you from that. I'm not going to decipher what I feel because I don't want to change your reflection. And each person will have their own reflections, which is beautiful. Their own perceptions of things, particularly with poetry, particularly of Rumi's writings. So I'm sending you so much love, and I hope there's some peace somewhere there for you today, some connection. Take care.